Welcome back guys. In this video we are going to see how to make Google Play Console ID. So first of all, open any browser in your PC. I am opening here Google Chrome, and open in any ID and then search here for Google Play Console. Google Play Console. And after opening it, scroll down to the second option, which is Google Play Console, and click on it. You can change your email ID from the left side. You can see here I am using developer Pawan Singh ID, and you can change it from clicking here, and you can switch your account from which account you want to make your Google Play Console ID. And here are two options given, that is an organization and as yourself. So if you are a business or a company, you can log in as an organization, and I will log in as yourself to show you. So click on get started, and you here it is written that what you need to create a developer account. You just need an email address through which you have login, and another is your phone number. At last you have to pay 25 USD, that is United States dollars, for as a registration fee. So click on continue and give your name. Here I am writing Pawan Singh. You can write any name and click on next. Now you see here you have to make a profile for payment to prove your identity. So click on create, and then I already have created one. So to show you, I will create a new payment profile. So click on create new payment profile and press continue. So you have to fill your all details like your country. I am filling here India. Hi India. After filling your country, you will see that you have to write your full name. I am writing here Pawan Singh, and your street address, like my village name is Hamsarkot. And this fourth one option is optional, so leave it. And city Bageshwar. Enter the pin code of your city and give your state name. Mine is Uttarakhand, and then click on next. After filling all the details, click on save. I told you I already have created one ID, so I'll go with it. Click on continue, press next. To make your public developer profile, you just need to fill your email address to verify your email. I am filling here my email address which I log in, that is developer108 and verify your email. After verifying your email, just check the box that acknowledgement and press on next. And it is asking about you. It's not mandatory to fill it, but you can feel like I am new to Google Play Console. If you have more experience about it, you can also write it here. And just scroll down, and here it is asking for you other Google accounts. If you have other Google accounts, or if you already have worked on Google Play Console, so you have to click on yes. And if you haven't worked on Google Play Console earlier, so you click on no. I will click here no. And if you have your website, so give your website link here. So I don't have any website, so I will click on I don't have a website and scroll down and press on next. And then it will ask you about what is your plan in future, like how many application you want to publish in next 12 month. So it is good to go with the maximum number of websites, that is here more than 10. because if you publish less than 10, it may create some problem. And why are you here, it is asking why are you here. So we all are here to earn some money, so write here yes. And how do you earn money? So click on ads, and you can add other options like subscription or in-app purchases if your app contains such options. And scroll down, and your app categories, it is asking for the categories of app you will publish in future. By the way, this all doesn't affect your future app publications. So I will click here none of the above option and press on next. Then you have to fill your details how Google can contact you, like your contact name and your contact email address. I am writing here Pawan Singh. You can give your name and email address as same I filled earlier, and then it will show a verified tick. And scroll down and select your preference language. I am selecting here English. You can select any language and give your contact number with your country code. As I am from India, I will use +91 country code, and then I will write my number without space. Make sure you give your correct number because it will be verified and an OTP will be sent to you. And enter your OTP here and click on verify. After you get verified, click on next. Here are some terms and conditions. You have to check both the boxes and create and pay. And after that you will have to pay $25 to Google. So you have to connect your card with Google, and here I will click on add card, and you have to give here your card number. And remember that only Visa cards are accepted from India, and other cards are also accepted, but mostly people contain RuPay cards, so it will not work. So give your Visa card number here and make sure your international transaction is enabled in your card, and give your full details and fill your other details also, and click on save card. After clicking on save card, I have already saved my card, so click on buy. Here it will give an error because my card has not enabled an international transactions. So just if you are facing some another error, just copy your error code and search it on Google. After searching, you will see that, scroll down and click on this arrow, and you can know that why your card is not accepted. And my card is not accepting because my international transaction is not yet enabled. To enable this, you can call your bank server from where you have taken that card, and you can ask them to enable your international transactions. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.